Now we have Ubuntu up and running. We need to install Anaconda. So by going to the main website, Anaconda, not Amazon. We need to download the Linux distro from the penguin icon right here, clicking on it. And after that, we need the first one by copying the link address, and we back to our terminal. And here is the Linux command. Don't worry about this stuff, we are using it just once. Curl dash capital O, then paste the command down. It will take 1 minute, that's nice. And here I just typed the first letter, and by pressing tab you got it already auto completed. And now it's time to run it, and we can do that by clicking dot and slash and the name itself. So now this is the license or the agreement. And do you accept the agreement? Of course I do. Hit enter. So once you finish installation, it asks you if you want to initiate Anaconda every time you open your terminal on Ubuntu, and of course yes. And now it's ready to go with. Now we need to exit Ubuntu, then enter again. Alright, now we are good to go, since we could see the base here, which is the base Anaconda environment, or Conda is easier to say. And if we type ls, we have the installation file and the Anaconda, which will be where it's installed, of course. So we don't need the installation file anymore, so we can delete it by running rm and a and then tab, and now it's free. Now we need to create our first environment in Conda by running the command conda create and -in stand for name, and let's call it like Conda environment. Not very sexy name, but yeah. And which kind of language do you want to use it with, which is Python here. If you keep it like this, it will install the last version of Python. But like if I specify this one, let's see, like I have a project which has dependency working on Python 3.8. So just out of fun, I could like having another environment with the last Python, but okay. So now it will grab some stuff from the internet. Yes. And sure enough, we check out like it's installing Python 3.8. And here it tells us how it's working. Conda activate cmv. And if you want to go out of the environment, conda deactivate. Clear the screen first. Conda activate cmv. And once the base changed to cmv, now we know that we are in the environment. So like if I type Python, I have Python 3.8, and now we have Conda and Python. In the next episode we will talk about VS Code, how to install it and connect it to Conda. Bye bye for now.